Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic options. So let's turn off them just by tapping on the switchers. Now we can also change time format. Simply tap on the option like to use, so 12-hour format or 24-hour one. Now we can tap on date and just by swiping change the date to the one we would like to apply. The same situation with the time, so the hours, minutes, and the specific part of the day if you're using the 12-hour format. Time zone, just tap on it, and here you can find the region. So find it and tap on it, just like that. Here you can also decide whether you want to display the dual clock, which means that the first one will have the time zone which you've just set, so the time zone from the place you're currently in, and the second one from another place in the world of your choice. So, and this is the manual customization of date and time. You can also go back to all previous options, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.